Hi, my name is Brian, and today we're going to be taking a look at the fiber, HD-based T, and 12G SDI extension options for media access. And just to review, media access is a fully modular and scalable matrix switching and extension system that supports 4K 60 444. It also can convert any input to any or all outputs and is available in frame sizes ranging from 20 by 20 all the way up to 216 by 216. So to get started, in each extender box you'll have either your transmitter or receiver, as well as a 3-pin Phoenix connector for RS-232, power supply, and a USB cable for firmware updates. Now each transmitter and receiver are sold separately because they can interface directly with media access's input or output cards. So here we have the Max FT101 and Max FR102 fiber transmitter and receiver. The fiber extenders support 4K 60 444 resolutions, offer adaptive multi-mode single-mode processing, and can travel distances up to 1.24 miles. The Max CT101 and Max CR102 HD-based T transmitter and receiver are pretty much identical to their fiber counterparts, just with RJ45 connectors on the back of the units. The HD-based T extenders support distances of 230 feet at 4K 60 444 resolutions. The HD-based T and fiber extender receivers function the same way. So for this demonstration, we have our Max CR102 live. Once your receiver is on, you'll see its status. Normally next to in, you would see the incoming signal resolution, and next to out would be the resolution the receiver is scaling to. To change settings, press the menu button. Here you can change the output timing, mute the HDMI audio, change the HDMI mode to DVI or HDMI, turn on or off video mute, change the baud rate in RS-232 settings, turn on power save mode, check the firmware version, or factory reset the unit. To change settings, select the desired category and press menu to enter. Use the up and down arrows to change your settings, press menu again to save changes, or the exit button to exit the category and cancel any changes made. So for example, under output time, you can select between 20 different resolutions for the receiver to scale to, or you can select auto to have the receiver automatically use the EDID information from the display. Press menu when you have your desired selection and the new output timing is set. And last but not least, we have the Max FH12G, which is our HDMI or adaptive multi-mode, single-mode fiber to 12G SDI receiver. It can extend up to 1.24 miles over fiber, supports input resolutions up to 4K 60 444, and can connect directly to media access's HDMI or fiber output cards. Only the HDMI or the fiber input can be active at a time, and that can be selected by the dip switches on the front. The Max FH12G also has 2 mirrored 12G SDI outputs. And that's a look at some of the extension options for media access. If you'd like more information on any of these products or any of our other products, check the links in the description and visit our website at PureLinkAV.com. And to see future videos, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.